Hi, today I'm going to show you how to enable performance mode on your Poco X6 Pro. It means that you will use your smartphone on its maximum performance. It's mostly used to play video games. So how to do it? We're going to settings and we need to find a battery settings. So right here with the yellow icon. And then you can see here current mode, and right now I have a balanced, and we're gonna switch it to performance mode, and you will receive a notification about that it may increase energy consumption and it can lead to overheating, and you just need to press OK. And now you can see that our current mode changed. And I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.